Alrighty friends, I'm back. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a look at my drawing of my abstract face, and I'm going to make a decision. I'm going to make a decision to block some colors, and what that means is the colors are going to be in different areas, maybe like an orange and a red and a blue. It's not going to be a realistic, remember, because this is an abstract face. So I kind of want to take a look to make sure that I have the colors kind of worked out in my mind. And if I want to change my mind as I go, that is a-okay. So the first thing that I like to do is I like to put one drop of water inside each little pan of paint. That way the paint, the watercolor paint, is ready for me when I start. So I know for sure that I want to paint my lips red. This is actually a reddish orange. Okay, so that's going to be a reddish orange. Then I'm going to rinse out my color, and then at the top here I am going to use, how about purple? Oh, that's a pretty purple. So I'm going to color that in purple. And as you can see, the crayon, the green crayon, is resisting the paint. So it's kind of popping out. I hope you can see that. I'm not sure if you can on the video, but it really is popping out. So that's why it's important to make sure that you press firmly with the crayons. And let me give you a tip. If you go over and over and over your painting, your drawing, then it will wear down the crayon and it won't pop as much. Okay, so I have some reddish, orangish, and some purple. I think down here I'm going to use some green. I like this really light and bright color, green. So I'm going to use some of that. And if I want to switch colors, maybe to this color green, that's okay. Because this is my painting, it's an abstract painting. Because it is my painting, I get to do what I want with it, just like you get to do what you want with yours. So I'm going to take a few minutes. You can watch me or you can get started on your own. I'm going to speed up this video and I'll see you in a minute. Alrighty friends, I'm back. I really like how this turned out. Notice that I have blocks of color. I have red and purple and green and blue, and it's a very colorful and festive piece of art. I made it my own, and you will make it your own as well. So I hope you have fun with this, and I will see you in the next video.